Good day, everyone. I got a question for you all. Who do you think is going to win the Heisman Trophy this weekend? Will it be Texas A&M's sensational star, Johnny Football? Or will it be the killer from Notre Dame, Manti Te'o? Or this could be a surprise to us all, Kansas State's quarterback, Collin Klein. Either way, if you vote, you have a chance to win a Papa John's card. I am giving away 50 of those cards randomly for all the people that vote. And then, if you vote correctly, you have a chance, yes, a chance, so I'm going to pick a winner, to go to the national championship game, Alabama against the one and only Notre Dame and Manti Te'o. I got to tell you, this is an exciting national championship game played right here in my home market at Sun Life Stadium. It is going to be the time of our life. Two powerhouse teams, and I got to tell you, Kelly, the coach for Notre Dame, is absolutely a stud. What he did in his last position before he came here was nothing less than stupendous. They miss him back at his old university, but he has been stellar at Notre Dame this year. So take your time, vote, and I promise you, we're going to have a good time in Miami. It's my blog, but your voice, and I want to hear from you. Cast your vote.